Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to see how to fix the NVIDIA app if it is not working properly. To fix this, first open your Windows and search for Device Manager. Open your Device Manager, then click on your NVIDIA graphics card. Next, right-click on your NVIDIA graphics card and select Update Driver. Then press Browse My Computer for drivers and click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your NVIDIA graphics card and the driver will start installing. After the installation, close the Device Manager and start the NVIDIA app to check if the NVIDIA graphics card is fixed. If it is still not working, just uninstall your NVIDIA graphics card completely and then reinstall it. To do this, open Chrome, search for NVIDIA App Download, and hit Enter. Click on the top search result, and from there you can download the app again. After reinstalling, the problem should be fixed,